You guys probably wonder what it's like to live in 114 square feet and how you operate every day. Let's go back and we'll have a look, okay? Well, this is what it looks like, 114 square feet of operating lifestyle. This is our life, including theirs. Hey, baby. Baby, it's time to start your day. Mine's just about over. Would you like something to eat? Maybe?
Steaks?
Steaks?
Coffee?
Brussels sprouts, maybe?
Coffee?
Coffee. You guys hang on, I've got to go to the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom. That's kind of hard stepping in and out of there, but let's have a look at it. All right, it isn't so bad. It's a fully functional bathroom. You have a toilet and shower. You can live the life of Riley. Soap dispensers, trash can, towel, everything someone needs. Now I'll show you how to cook a meal in this small space and not to feel so confined when you're living in it and working in it. All right, what's gonna be for dinner? Ooh, what do we got in here? Wow, look at all of that space. Isn't it crazy? Wait a minute. I've got a steak thawed out. Let's go to the refrigerator section. Oh, right there it is. There it is right there. Let's go with the steaks. Yeah, all right. Ribeyes, yeah. Broccoli, cauliflower, yum. Hello. Wake up, girl. Coffee. What's for breakfast? And for dinner, apparently, because this is the end of my shift and the beginning of hers. Come on, girl, you gotta wake up.
No, we're picking our toes.
Apparently. Okay, it looks like our breakfast, lunch, dinner thingy is almost complete. But as you can see, in this tiny space that we call home, we have the amenities of home. You know, we got the sink and the television and the DVR. I mean, to have this luxury stuff in 114 square feet is kind of crazy. We have plenty of food for days. I mean, we have food everywhere because I'm a hoarder. Oh, that's motorcycle stuff. That's a whole different story, guys. But it's just pretty wonderful. We should put the bed up.
All of our pillows
Go
right there.
They go right
well,
there.
all of his pillows.
Are you saying I'm a pillow whore?
Yes, I have one. And it's this big.
You're weird.
Tell him, little dog.
Little dog, make the bed. Go ahead, make the bed. And just like that, you go from the bedroom to the kitchen. Office / dining room also. Voila. Now, for people who watch our regular videos, they understand this is our daily lifestyle. But some people wouldn't understand living in a spot that's so small for months on end. It's kind of like being on a submarine, but smaller, right? It has a business end and a tail end, and we're in the middle. And we love it. It's spectacular. We could live in here 24/7.
We do live in here
I mean,
for a while.
constantly though. I mean, we really could and be totally happy. Couldn't you? Let's see what she says.
I do, for 2 or 3 months at a time before.
That's right. And considering we used to do it in 76 square feet, or square inches, or, I mean, 76-inch sleeper. That'll fly.
Yeah, I don't know where that came from.
It's just like being at home.
Dang flies.
Let's eat. Manageable cleanup. But we have a sink in this spot too, so hey, that's great. At least I can do dishes. I should be thankful.
Okay. I need to wash my hands. Wash my hands. Oh my gosh. Yakety-o dog. So when I get up, I gotta do all my teeth, put on some face. I should probably brush this rat's nest that I call hair. Oh, there's somebody out. Can I grab it around? Uh-oh. I gotta get the towel. Here we go.
I parked just beside a reefer. I made our house noisy.
What's wrong with you? Okay, let's get my face products. I'm right here. Hairbrush and leave-in conditioner. I have a rat's nest. Watch out, Wawa.
You really have to think minimal.
Yes. Like my whole face routine, other than one thing of lotion, fits in here.
Impressive.
And actually, right now, this is going up here because we accidentally got one that's too big. Otherwise, it goes right in the medicine cabinet.
We overdid it.
Yes, we got too much mouthwash.
I'll try to use it real fast.
Dirty mouth. One thing I think we both had to break ourselves of is what we always buy like an extra, right? Oh, well, we won't have to get some at Walmart the next time or whatever. But in here, you buy the small one and you just go to the store every 2 to 3 weeks. And just because you're in a truck doesn't mean, sorry I look away, there's my mirror here, doesn't mean that we can't have our little face makeup and our little jewelry and everything and look like a girl.
And this is the business end of the operation. So for people who are thinking about downsizing their life, there are multiple alternatives. It doesn't have to be an apartment without wheels or apartment with wheels, or
Something you put on somebody else's property.
think outside of the box. There's lots of different alternatives. Our 114 foot square apartment has wheels. We make money with it. We're gonna go do that right now.
And we travel
We do.
all over the country and eat strange food, see strange things. We saw an airplane land on the interstate. How many people can say that?
I don't know. Let's Google it. Bye-bye, people. Have a great day. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.